Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for random variable. Kindly refers to the question. A continuous random variable y has a probability density function with the given situation below. Show that c is equals to 3 over 10 and the expected value for y is equals to 3 over 5. So first what we have to do is to express the situation in the real number line. So here we have 0 and 2. For the function, we have c multiplied with 3 minus y squared bracket. Otherwise, we have the function 0. Next, what we have to do is to show c equals to 3 over 10. As we all know, the question mentioned that we have continuous random variable. So means that integrate for the function fx, or we can say in here is a fy, with respect to x. In here, we have respect to y, which is equals to 1. So now, proceed with the situation. Integrate from negative infinity until 0 for the function 0 dy plus integrate from the 0 until 2 for the function we have c, which is a constant, so 3 minus y squared respect to y, plus integrate from 2 until infinity for the function 0 respect to y, which is equals to 1. As we all know, for these two parts we will have 0. So kindly focus on the middle one where we have the situation 3y minus y to the power of 3 over 3. Multiply with the c with the limit to 0, which is equals to 1. Kindly substitute the 2 and 0. So if we substitute 2, we will have c bracket. Then we have 6 minus 8 over 3. If we substitute 0, and we will obtain 0 equals to 1. 6 minus 8 over 3, where we will have 10c over 3, which is equals to 1. Finally, c is equals to 3 over 10, where we already shown the situation. So kindly substitute the c into the real number line. Next, we're going to find the EY, which is equals to 3 over 5. So as we all know, for the expected value, the formula would be EX, which is equals to integrate for the function x multiplied with the function fx respect to x. Negative infinity until infinity will be the limit. So in here, we have y. So EY, which is equals to integrate from the 0 until 2. For the function, we have 3 over 10 y multiplied with 3 minus y squared respect to 1. So that is our situation. So kindly expand. Next is to integrate. With the limit to 0. Next is to substitute the situation. So if we substitute 2, so we will have the situation 3 multiplied with the 4 over 2 minus y to the power of 4, where we have 2 to the power of 4, which is equals to 16 over 4. So simplify. So where we will have 12 over 2, which is equals to 6 minus 4. So finally, 3 over 10 multiplied with the 2. So the EY, which is equals to 6 over 10, simplify. So we will have 3 over 5 for the expected value. So we already shown the situation. Continue. Hence, calculate the probability that we have y greater than, we have the expected value, which is equals to 3 over 5. As we all know, this is a continuous, so sign is not important. So based on the situation, we have to integrate, start from 3 over 5, which is equals to 0.6. Until where we have 2 for the function, we have 3 over 10 bracket 3 minus y squared respect to y. So integrate the situation. So we will have 3 over 10 bracket 3y minus y to the power of 3 over 3 with the limit 2 and 0.6. So kindly substitute the situation. So 3 over 10 bracket, if we substitute 2, we will have 10 over 3. Minus, if we substitute 0.6, we will have 216 over 125. Finally, if we simplify the situation, so we will have 301 over 625. Or, we may express the situation 0.4816. Do remember, approximate 0.482. for the situation, probability is that y greater than 3 over 5, or we can say probability is that y greater than 0.6. So that is the situation for A. Refers to B. Determine the mode of the distribution. So in here, my suggestion is to refer to the graph. So where we have to plot or sketch the graph for the situation 0 until 2. So as we all know, we have the function fy, which is equals to 3 over 10 bracket 3 minus y squared, which is a graph for quadratic. So kindly substitute the situation. So in here, my suggestion is to express the situation in the standard form, where we have negative 3 over 10 bracket, we have y squared, and then plus we have 9 over 10. So I believe that this is the standard form. So negative 3 over 10 bracket, we have y minus 0 bracket squared plus 9 over 10. So from here, we notice that we have a maximum point, where we have the maximum point, which is 0, 9 over 10. So from here, we can see that we have the situation. Here we have 9 over 10. Then continue. If we substitute y equals to 0 for this part, so we will have 0, which is equals to 3 minus y squared. So if we factorize the situation, we will have 0, which is equals to bracket square root of 3 minus y, square root of 3 plus with the y. So y will be equals to negative square root of 3, y will be equals to square root of 3. So for this case, we have the situation square root of 3 in here. So as we all know, we have the graph from 0 to 2. So the graph will be something like this. So where we have the situation here 2. So refers to the situation, we notice that we will have the mode. So the mode refers to the diagram where we have x is equals to 0. Next we have C. Show that the median m of the distribution satisfies the equation m cubed minus 9m plus with the 5. So in here, what we have to do is to make sure we have the situation fm, which is equals to 0.5. So where is the location? So I'm very sure we are in here, the m. So kindly substitute the situation. Fm means that the cumulative. So integrate, start from 0 until m. For the function 3 over 10. For the function 3 minus y squared with respect to y, which is equals to 0.5. We're going to find the location for 0.5, which is the median. So integrate 3y minus y to the power of 3 over 3. We have 3 over 10 for m and 0, where we have 1 over 2. So kindly substitute the situation. So in here, we have 3m minus m cubed over 3. If we substitute 0, we will obtain 0. Equals to where we have 1 over 2 multiplied with 10 over 3. So simplify the situation. So 3m minus m cubed over 3, which is equals to, we have 5 over 3. Kindly rewrite the situation. So 5 over 3 plus m cubed over 3 minus 3m, which is equals to 0. So multiply all the terms with 3. So we will have m cubed plus with 5 minus 9m, which is equals to 0. So kindly rewrite the situation. So m cubed minus 9m plus with the 5 equals to 0. So we already shown the situation. So here we are, and thanks for watching.